Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this shoe organizer. This can hold up to 16 shoes, all in this nice, convenient case. And this is super simple to put together. It's got a nice, clear lid on it, so you can keep dust, dirt, whatever out of there. You've got this nice foldable box, so you can store it if you're not using it. And to put it together, all you've got to do is just put this base plate in there, and that will then stabilize the bottom of it, and you are ready to use it. Now, the great thing about this box is you can use it just as a box like this, or all you've got to do is pull out these little inserts, and you can make it up to 16 different holes. So each one of these comes out, and you now have 4 different holes here. So now you've got the 4 here. Put different bigger things in there if you want. You've got these nice side handles to be able to carry it with you. Or if you want to start adding extra shoes in, you can actually open up each one of these to customize however you want to put your shoes in, or items, clothing, whatever you want to do. They'll just slide right in there. Be able to have your shoes conveniently in whatever holes you want to have them in. Take them with you. That way they're not all piled up and ridiculous all over your house. So I will bring you in here close so you can see just how collapsible and awesome and versatile this thing is. You do have some side pockets here as well. So you've got 2 mesh side pockets on each side, right over here. And then you've got your carrying handles and your zippered top. So you zip it all closed, and then you have it all put up for storage. So it'd be great, like if you're putting up your summer shoes or your winter shoes and you don't have the space for all of them, easily stick them in here and pull them out for whatever season you need them in. Like I said, I'll bring you in here close and we can take a look at it. So here's this box up close. You can kind of see the edges here. That just snaps out, so you can have whatever design or shape that you want to have. And then you can just put in your shoes and they just slide right into place, and organize them however you feel fit. And you can easily grab all of that. But this is super versatile. I love the closure on it, how you can just store it for whatever seasons, or, I mean, you can even use it for daily wear and keep your shoes in it. But you can close it up and take it with you.